the biggest misnomer is what you had mentioned, replacement of what I'm doing. It's actually not a replacement. A good AI solution or a good monitoring solution, AI is going to complement what that individual does, allowing them to do it more efficiently and effectively. AI should never replace what a human does, especially from the risk and compliance perspective, because in this day and age, maybe in 10 years, regulators and institutions would feel comfortable with AI making decisions end to end.
Welcome in, everybody. You're listening to Wrestling Payments.
From the AI perspective, in our market, we see both of those sides. Hey, we would like to have yours complement ours, or we would like to utilize what you have within your tool set. And of course, I'll steer you towards the second, because with having a solution that has it built into it, there's probably other capabilities that your internal AI is not able to utilize the information within a holistic solution. So with the particular fraud solutions out there that an institution may want to utilize, it's across the board. We call it omni-channel. So you would want to look at and allow AI to look at all that intelligence, not just in a check channel or a wire channel or an ACH. You want to look at the full picture. And AI is able to do that quickly and efficiently to give you cross-channel risk, which is a major factor as well in today's world. Using the digital online banking portal and other pieces. So AI from the solutions perspective is, I think, where a lot of institutions are leading, because having an internal team, you still need to refine that and develop that. Other solution providers, maybe us, maybe others, haven't been in it for a while. So we understand the guardrails. You talked about the ethnicity of a AI tool, ensuring that there are proper guardrails set in, privacy guardrails, ensuring that that information and that intelligence is acceptable by the internal organization, the FI, as well as the regulators. So that's some of the important factors.